This recipe survived colonizations, generations, and hundreds of years of Filipino kitchens. And today, we're cooking one of the oldest comfort foods we still obsess over: adobo. Here are the ingredients. Some recipes survive because they're famous. Adobo survived because families kept cooking it. When Spanish explorers arrived in the Philippines, they noticed this cooking method and gave it a name: adobo. The word came from the Spanish term meaning marinade or seasoning. But the funny thing is, the dish itself was already here long before the name arrived: adobo. And right here, this is where it starts. The garlic, the soy sauce, the vinegar, the pepper, everything slowly coming together. Maybe hundreds of years ago, someone stood in the kitchen doing almost this exact same thing. A different house, different time, same familiar process, same smell filling the air. Unlike every family story passed down over generations, adobo never stayed exactly the same. Some add in potatoes, some like it sweeter, some swear pork is the only way. Hundreds of years later, after generations, traditions, and countless family versions, adobo is still here. Not because someone told us to keep cooking it, because every time we make it, it still feels like home.